Alright, we're making burgers, so we're gonna need these and various other options.
Alright, so we had to come to good old Antioch Aldi here to pick up some eggs because 3 silly geese over here forgot eggs. Need eggs to make burgers. Don't have a lot of sides because Big Dill forgot the watermelon at home, so we got some tortilla chips. We got, here, can you zoom in on this? Layered dip. We get, oh, we got some green onions because that's the only thing Jack can eat. Just the green part though, not this. So yeah, we'll catch back up when we get home. Start cooking.
You want me to write?
Where?
Here. Tears.
We may have jumped the gun on the turkey a little bit, put the Worcestershire sauce in there already, but it's all good. We haven't gotten too far yet. We can't use breadcrumbs because Jack over here can't eat anything with gluten in it. We couldn't find any gluten-free breadcrumbs.
Put a liquid in here.
Jesus Christ. It's not a very lean piece of meat. You can see the little zoom in. You see some fat right there and there. Where the fuck are the knives at?
So what'd you just do, Dylan?
Cleared some space. I just added some thyme. It's a very fresh herbal essence to it, okay? It really brings out the flavor in the food. And so right here we have some basil. You're gonna want to add basil too. Not a lot. Not a lot. I can't stress that enough. Just a little bit.
Smell that. Smell the fragrance coming off of that.
Ooh, that smells
Get
like
that smell.
onion.
Wow, that smells great.
Yeah, it's weird how you can't eat them.
So we're only using the greens. These are some IBS friendly
So is this
turkey
pepper?
burgers.
This is pepper. Okay, so you know what? You're gonna want to open that up. You can't go wrong with pepper.
Professional. This knife isn't very sharp.
I thought
That's okay. We're still making our way through it.
Hey, you want to give me that? It's an old trick I learned at the boarding school.
Oh, sure thing. Let me just rinse that off for you. Oh, did you see that? Can we get a replay on that?
This life is all I ever dreamed, bitch. This life is all I ever need, bitch.
An old trick I learned at the boarding school. Thank you.
Wow. Can we get a replay on that one as well?
No, I'm not saying I'm a prodigy, but would you listen to me? Kanye West's first job was at the Gap, and that's the same.
They don't fucking cut. They're not crisp. See, this ain't crisp. It's not gonna cut through.
Oh. Wait, there's one more.
I told you, turkey's fucking gross.
Not all in one spot there, genius.
Well, you're mixing it up right now, fella.
This is some classic guy banter.
You know what? I can tell just by looking at this, there was not enough seasoning at play.
You need me to sprinkle some more?
Oh, the turkey.
You can make it.
You haven't helped at all. Just record.
You're the cameraman now.
Right, because I haven't been.
Look at this. Look at this salt adage. You tell me when.
It's not even, the camera's not even fucking picking that up.
That's good.
Alright, we'll add some pepper now.
Yep.
Shake.
Not a lot. Just enough.
Just enough, okay. Just tell me how many spritzes you want.
One more.
Okay,
Start making breadcrumbs or not?
So basically I'm gonna start making some breadcrumbs because I can't have regular breadcrumbs.
He's
There's onions in
he's
them.
a sentimental boy with IBS.
There's onions in there, so we can't have them.
I'm trying to think about this.
It's not very
I
difficult.
think
You
just-
put some chips in the bag and start crushing.
That's a fantastic idea, Big
Here.
Bill.
Put the camera down.
What about that pineapple? Put in reverse.
Messing. Air out.
Seal it up. There's a lot of air left.
And then you want to grab? No, sir.
That's a very funny stick. Crush them fine. There you go. A couple times like that.
Give him the big Byron beat.
Go classic BB.
You gotta keep going.
You're gonna walk around over here.
Give him a couple smacks. And then... My nose, and I didn't want to touch it with chicken.
Well, good thing it's turkey, so.
It's all the same bird.
Fuck. It's raw.
Do it again. I didn't get on fucking camera.
Yeah, and it's ready.
Eat it again.
Eat it again, pussy. I don't think.
No, 2 bits will kill you.
Eat it again.
Do half a bit. Do half a bit. Look, that's half a bit right there.
Can I wash my hands?
No.
Can you eat the fucking meat and tell me if it tastes good?
Stop telling me to eat raw meat.
Probably the gas screw. Fuck you.
The gay screw.
All right.
It's a brand new Weber.
It's pretty quality. Still cold.
You got my dad's sandals on.
We gotta heat this guy up. How the fuck is
Here's the lighter.
All
There's your
right.
smaller plate.
This is Big John's method of making patties. You get like a. This is so gross. You get in ball shape, and then when you think you're about ready,
See, look, that's a patty.
Okay,
that's
honest, now that I see this, Dylan's is better.
what? It's,
Look at that.
I'm a thin patty kind of guy. I'm not a thick patty kind of guy. I prefer the thinner ones. Just
Okay, then we smash it down a bit more.
That's impossible to do.
Well, are you gonna throw a nap tonight? And that's more important.
I like their buffalo wings, especially with the ranch.
They're,
They got a good
they're so oily and greasy.
You don't like wings, etc., Jack?
I like Anastasia's.
Don't, Pete.
Ew.
What?
Wait, did you just say you like Anastasia's?
They're buffalo
Get the
wings.
fuck out
No,
of my
that's
house.
the
Get the fuck out of my
The
house.
buffalo wings. I think we've got a pretty good.
Can I get a close up of the fingers?
Oh yeah, for sure. Get a look at that.
Okay.
Washing the hands.
In between the fingers.
Weber, look at this. The old Weber Spirit. It's cranking out 500 degrees right now.
This thing's only been on for like 3-4 minutes.
It's a little warm. It's a little too warm for burgers. We're gonna turn that down to about half. That should be good. Keep around a 350 range.
We're gonna close this for the bugs.
We're gonna make a ball of turkey.
No, you put that on last.
yeah.
Just throw it into the prairie, feed the birds.
Pounds of meat.
What the fuck is wrong with you? True.
You might have to go two.
Oh, yeah, we got enough room for one more bad boy. Right there, slapper right there. Oh. What are you doing with those?
We're just gonna wait for the next round.
Okay.
I'll go check the temperature on these motherfuckers in a bit.
Look, around 375, almost 350. It's close enough. Oh, we'll check the one that went on first. All right, I think we're gonna. I think this is gonna be like a little baby burger maybe for Dylan because I know he has a pretty small appetite.
Hold on. Wait a minute.
I need some ketchup.
It smells like walking into a Piggly Wiggly.
Can you say that again?
Piggly Wiggly.
Healing. You don't need a Band-Aid.
Oh yeah.
Yes, Dad.
Tell us the process.
I just gotta lube it up a little bit with some catsup. Just a little bit. Do we have anything else that?
Want mustard or
Want
something?
barbecue sauce?
I don't like mustard.
You want barbecue sauce? You want
You're gonna like
sauce?
actually do the dishes.
I'm just gonna.
right?
I'm
Yes.
just gonna do some ketchup. We'll give this a taste test.
You want to watch out?
Wanna get the fuck out of my way? Look at that. Oh shit. Look at that.
No.
Are you ready?
Yeah,
Tastes like
second.
Eating that?
Can you hand me the ketchup, please?
You ever gone to like a Mexican restaurant?
No.
No.
I didn't eat the turkey burger.
It's decent. It tastes like a Mexican restaurant.
I liked it.
That was pretty good.
I recommend barbecue sauce.
Sauce.
I just stuck with the ketchup.
It's not even barbecue sauce, it's cooking sauce.